Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.